stage is set for India's largest IPO ever. The Life Insurance Corporation of India, or LIC, has filed its draft share sale prospectus with market regulator Sebi. Though the price band at which the share will be sold is not known, the proposed share sale has quotas not only for retail investors but also for LIC policyholders.
It will be the one IPO to rule them all. A public issue which can only be addressed in superlatives, which will truly test the depth of the Indian stock markets and the financial appetite of the Indian investor. The entire proceeds of the offer will go to the central government and help it raise around 75,000 crore rupees, or nearly $10 billion. With just a month and a half remaining for the fiscal to end, the LIC filing late on Sunday evening set in motion the much-awaited process, the government's plan to sell a 5% stake in the insurance giant. Here are some key facts about the issue. Government is divesting just 5% of its stake in the company. Over 316 million shares will be sold. Of these, 35% or 111 million shares have been set aside for retail investors. Another 10% or 31.6 million shares will be given only to existing policyholders. Though only a small number of the 290 million policyholders can expect to get the shares.
There is a positive buzz in the air that the government has committed itself and it's showing it. And because the way in which, in a way, it has been tailored, policyholders are going to get a share, retail investors are going to get a share, and there's this biggest IPO coming out. So there is just an air of positivity which is so required when you're doing some things with the stock market.
There are still several unanswered questions. First, at what price will the LIC share be sold at? Expected value per share will range from 2,560 rupees to 3,413 at 3x to 4x multiple. At conservative multiple of 2x to 2.5x, value per share is rupees 1,706 to rupees 2,133. Second, how much money is LIC raising from the market? Could be anywhere between 60,000 to 75,000 crore rupees. Thirdly, will LIC be more valuable than even Reliance Industries? Possibly. Interestingly, it was on Business Today TV that the much speculated LIC valuation was first revealed. For a week, it was the only authentic figure in the market.
Once listed, will LIC be amongst the top 3 companies in India by market cap?
Our embedded value is upwards of 5 lakh crore.
The price of the IPO will be decided 2 days before the issue opens. Both policyholders and retail investors are to get a discount of the issue price, which will be decided later. However, the biggest concern is that the LIC IPO could suck money out of the capital markets, resulting in more manic Mondays like this year's Valentine's. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.